Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 or 4 series BMW, guys, as you know, both of them share the same platform engines, guys, pretty much identical vehicle, guys. And if you're trying to find your vacuum valve switch, stay with us and we'll explain where it's located, guys. In today's video we'll point where it is and we'll explain what needs to be done to remove and replace it. Also, guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW here, we make more than 200 videos, and on this one probably we have close to 300-400 videos, guys. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy a new vacuum valve switch, check out the link in the description of the video below. Another thing, if you guys need any special tools or parts for your BMW, check out, guys, the link in the description. It will be shared there for your convenience. So you need to open the hood on your BMW, and once you open the hood, guys, okay, that's what we have right here. 2.0 gasoline engine, guys. This is known as N20 and N26 engine. If you have that engine, some of them have problems with the timing chain, and we just replaced one that failed at 87,000 miles. Everything came out in pieces, so check it out, guys. It will be on our main channel, How to Repair, guys. This is our main channel. World Mechanics is secondary, and we have electrical channels where we'll be posting engine codes, transmission codes, diagnosing electrical components and things like that on that BMW. We will actually have a video. We'll make a video how to test that vacuum valve switch as well, guys. So if you want to see the whole video for replacing the vacuum valve switch, it will be, guys, okay, it will be on How to Repair, guys. In today's video we will show you where it's located. So looking at the engine right here now, guys, okay, you can see this is your intake manifold, throttle body right here. And if you follow that vacuum line, guys, check it out, that vacuum line, it goes to back here, okay, and then right there, this is the the vacuum valve switch. That device, okay, back there, I'm trying to focus there, let me see if I can. Okay, perfect. This is vacuum valve switch, guys, right there. Now, sometimes used ones, you can get the valve switch with the atmospheric pressure switch as well, guys. This is the pressure switch that detects what kind of vacuum we have in the system. So that's a vacuum switch, guys, right there. And this is the pressure switch that reads the pressure in the system. If you want to see the replacement, we have it on the channel, but it's not very complicated at all, guys. Okay, you need to disconnect the lines. One of them attaches to the throttle body, okay, this one right there. The other one is this one here and this one, okay, you just squish on each side and you pull it up, disconnect it, okay, and pretty much, guys, not very complicated, and you have one wire that you need to disconnect. We have the whole video on our main channel, How to Repair, guys, check it out. But some of you may just need help finding it because you know how to replace it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.